Assalamualaikum ladies and gentlemen. The magazine name is Abkari, your guide to a balanced, peaceful life. The editor is Sheikhul Wazaif Dr. Muhammad Tariq Mahmood Mazumi Chowka ki Dawate Barkato Malia. The topic is a life-threatening accident death was certain. Respected Sheikhul Wazaif, Assalamualaikum. A few years ago, I watched one of your videos on YouTube in which you explained an amulet taviz of Yabasitu and the method of preparing. You also advised tying it on the arm for protection from accident. I work as a lineman at WAPDA Water and Power Development Authority. For my safety, I prepared the amulet exactly in instructed, had it sewn into wax coated protective covering and tied it around my arm so that I could remain protected from any unexpected danger. Some time after I started wearing it, I had an accident. Alhamdulillah, if I had not been wearing that amulet, surviving would have been nearly impossible. One day I was working on an electricity power pole when suddenly I received a severe electric shock. As a result, I fell from the pole to the ground. The bone in my left leg broke above the knee, and the bone in my arm also broke below the elbow. However, the electric current that entered my body did not travel above my elbow on the same arm where I had tied the amulet. I was astonished the current did not pass beyond the place where the amulet was. Electricity, as I have observed, is that whichever part of the body is in contact with the ground directly or through any medium, the current exists from there. If the current cannot leave the body, it travels toward the heart, which becomes a cause of death. My surprise increased even more when the current left my body from a part that was not directly or indirectly connected to the ground in any way. After thinking deeply, I realized that the current could not pass beyond the place on my arm where I had tied this amulet. I entered through the finger and exited from below the elbow. I thanked Allah again and again that through the blessing of this amulet my life was saved. Allah Almighty, by the barakah of this amulet, protect me from a terrible death. The amulet is as follow. This amulet, please like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you.